What's up, YouTube? Just bringing a hardy species for you all. Today I'm going to be talking about Salvinia, I believe it's what it's called. It's this floating plant right here. And this tank's been running for maybe like a month now, maybe? I don't even know for sure. And I literally put in 4 pieces of this. And it has grown super fast for you. And here's why. It gets all this light right here. Like, it gets direct light, right? Direct light. And it gets CO2 out of the atmosphere, because in water there's a lot less gases than there is in the air, obviously, and these are open to the air. They're not underwater completely, only the roots are, and that's also why it grows so quickly, because it has a good root structure, which will obtain nutrients from the water column very easily. And also there's another plant. I don't have it in my tanks right now because it just grows really crazy. Duckweed, and duckweed will even grow even more rapidly than this, and is harder to get out of your tank. This plant, I would say that you could 100% get it out, but if you're going with duckweed, just make sure you know that it's pretty much in there once it's in there. One thing that I don't like about this plant is that it can take your tank in the right conditions. Right here, I'm not having a big problem with it. It's just kind of doing its thing. And one other thing that I dislike about this plant is that if you have like an Hanon back filter, unlike this, something like this right here, a Hanon back, sometimes it will like suck it up, because it will like push it down and then get sucked up, and then it just gets into your filter, and then it doesn't really do much for you, whereas here, not so much. Also, if you're really pristine and you have like kind of like plants like an inch off the surface or whatever, unlike me, because I kind of like just let it grow out, and that's how I like it. You have a harder time keeping this plant, just because it kind of likes to be in its own little area so it can just multiply. Because if it's always moving around, it's kind of difficult for it. So that's and it's just easier for it to get like I said, sucked up in the filter or something, or get trapped in the plants, and then it won't grow as fast. So that's the few little beefs that I have with that plant, but it's ultimately a pretty fast growing plant, and I don't know why I took so long to explain that, but yeah, peace out, people.